Hello my dear friends, welcome to chapter number 1 unit C, that is project, program and portfolio. So to understand what is project, what is program and what is portfolio, we will take a live example. But before that, let's go to the definitions of project, program and portfolio. So we say all the projects, we have already seen what is a project. A project is nothing but a temporary endeavor which gives you some unique product, some unique service and some results, and that is nothing but a project. And all these projects, we say they are at the tactical level within my organization, and the programs and portfolios are at the strategic level. Now, what is a program? So let's look into it. So program, it is nothing but group of related projects. So projects which are related to each other, which have a similar kind of function, similar kind of functionality, will come under one head, and that is nothing but a program. So we say program is a group of related projects which are managed together. They are controlled together, and the reason is there is a benefit of doing this. And the benefit is because if we manage these projects together, we can share resources, share cost, share our expertises, share the lessons learned. And that is why we have a header called as program, which is about the projects. So we say program in short is nothing but group of related projects. Okay. Also, sometime as we have taken an example of Bank of America banking portal, this portal might be a 3 years project. And what do? I have divided that into 3 phases, or I can divide that project into 3 sub-projects. Now what is a sub-project? A sub-project is a small part of my project, okay, and it acts like a project, and that is why I call it as a sub-project. So projects are generally divided into some smaller pieces which are more manageable. And why do I do that? So that I can deliver the projects more efficiently. Okay. On the other hand, what is a portfolio? Portfolio is the topmost in my organization. So at the bottom level I have projects. Sometimes I can divide that projects into sub-projects. Collection of related projects together is called as programs. And then collection of programs and other related work is called as portfolio. Now let's see what is a portfolio definition. A portfolio is a collection of projects. It is collection of programs and all other related work, all other related functions which are done together to achieve certain common business objectives. Now let's take an example to understand this much better. So the same example which we have taken, Bank of America digitization. So let's give a name to this initiative, this portfolio, and this initiative, this portfolio is nothing but Bank of America digitization. Now this digitization is nothing but a portfolio. This portfolio I am going to divide into programs. So my first program is automation. My second program is infrastructure setup. My third program is awareness. I can also have fourth program which is nothing but data center. Okay. So let's see the first program, automation. So automation is a program which is collection of multiple small projects within it, and they are related to each other, and that's why they come under one roof and one umbrella. Now what are the projects under automation? So under automation we will have banking portal, which we have taken as an example. I will have a mobile app which will also be part of banking portal, and a mobile wallet which is again dependent on the banking portal, but it's an independent project altogether. So I will have these 3 related projects which will come under one program called as banking automation. Now why have I created these 3 projects under one program? Because I might require same kind of resources, right? Same engineers, same software coders, business analysts, some functional guys, banking guys, XYZ. And that is why I have this one program called as banking automation. On the other hand, infrastructure, server setups. This is nothing but an independent program altogether. And what is this program all about? This program will contain replacing the old networks, virtualizing the servers, upgrading the remote desktops that are already available in the branches. So in all the branches of Bank of America, whatever remote desktops I have, I will revamp them. I will upgrade them. And these 3 projects will fall under one program called as infrastructure. Now let's take the third program. The third program is awareness. So this will be a marketing initiative, because today we know we all buy what we see. Okay, so we will buy this product, we'll buy this automation as a project, we'll buy this banking portal or a mobile app as a project only when I see an ad. There is some marketing, there is some sales. And what is this awareness all about? So awareness is nothing but a program. It will be divided into multiple projects. So the first project will be rural marketing. So I'll do some marketing campaigns in the rural area to make sure that people are aware how to use this banking portal. So this might have maybe educating the women, educating small children, educating people on how to use a debit card and a credit card, how to use this ATM machines, how to use this mobile app, how to use this mobile wallet. So how can a mobile wallet replace your cash, and so on and so forth. So this awareness program is an independent program altogether. Similarly, I can have urban marketing. I might put hoardings in the urban cities like Mumbai, okay, Pune, and other such cities. And finally, SEO and SME. So this will be one of the project, or it might be again a collection of projects which will make sure that there is traffic on my website. Okay, so someone puts a search on a website, the best digitalization project or the best banking app, immediately my banking app should come on the top. So this SEO or SMO is also nothing but a project which will come under a program called as awareness. Or I might also take SEO, search engine optimization, as one of the program, and under that I can have multiple heads. So the structure depends on you as a project manager. Okay, so is it okay? Now, to understand this portfolio, we have added certain functions here, some related work. So I have taken portfolio, that is Bank of America digitalization. It includes program called as automation, which will create the softwares and mobile apps. It includes infrastructure, creating a server setup, desktops. It includes awareness, setting up and marketing and sales strategy across the globe. And finally, it will need some related functions like admin, HR, finance, procurement, XYZ, XYZ, XYZ. And all this together will form a portfolio called as Bank of America digitalization. Now, if you have seen this program and portfolio, why have we not put this banking portal under awareness? Or why have we not kept this virtualization surveillance automation? There's only one simple reason. I can make a program only when they are related to each other. Now let's take a simple example. Let's say replacing a network. This project I take under automation will help me. Yes, will it help me? No, not at all. The reason is because the resources that I need, the man-force which I need, the people which I need are very, very close to each other in the automation program. But on the other hand, the resources which I need in infrastructure might be very different. For example, in automation, I might need someone who understands Java, .NET, or some other coding language, or maybe SAP, or some other Oracle ERP. On the other hand, when I talk about infrastructure, what are the skill sets that we need? Yes, right, gentlemen? So we need skill set like Cisco certified consultant, Microsoft certified consultant, CompTIA consultants. Okay, so these are the guys who we will need here. TOGAF certified people, business analyst, business architects, etc., etc. On the other hand, in the awareness, do I need engineers? No. Do I need infra guys? No. I need pure sales guys, pure marketing guys. So they can sell your product well. They know how to sell this product and make it a hit. So all the skill sets, all the resources that I need in multiple programs are different. And that is why I collect only similar kind of projects together and make it as a program. Now going to the next topic. What is a PMO? The most important topic from PMI's perspective. So PMIUS, they recommend something, an organization, a department, collection, group of people which is called as Project Management Office. And what does it signify? A Project Management Office is a department that centralizes management of multiple projects. Or it can be a group of people. Or if it is a small organization, it might be a one-man department. Just one person working as a PMO. And that PMO department will have multiple PMO officers. And what do? What is their task? How do they help the projects? So you all know how this PMOs are really, really helpful for all of us. And their major function, their responsibilities, their role is to, one, managing the interdependencies among the project. To make sure that there is some dependency among the projects. Now let's see here. Can I first launch a mobile app and then launch an IT portal? Will it make sense? Right? It won't make sense. The reason is, once my banking portal is ready, I can launch the mobile app. Once my mobile app is ready, then I can launch this mobile app. Right? Now, who will create this kind of dependencies? Someone higher in the organization. And they are nothing but a PMO. Next, they help provide resources. So if you need certain resources, certain skill sets, certain consultants, certain people from outside the organization, whom do you approach first? So first we will go and approach the PMO. And these are the guys who will help you out for all the project related problems. They can also help you sometimes to take big decisions, strategic decisions among your projects. Okay, so sometimes if you are stuck in a particular decision, you can go back to your PMO, ask him, what should I do? Help me out, give me some template, give me some tool and techniques. Also, this PMO sometimes can also terminate your projects. By any means, if they feel that no, this project is not making sense, this project should not be added or no one be part of this program, they can terminate your projects. Also, they help gathering lessons learned. So at every milestone, okay, at every monitoring and control, when you validate your scope, when you check if everything is going right, you share certain lessons, something that you've learned in your project, something which you feel that yes, I think I should share with my colleague, with my fellow project manager. And that is when the PMO will come in picture. So you can gather all these lessons, give it to the PMO, and the PMO is going to share it across the organization. And that's the major task of a PMO. And next, and the most important, providing templates and guidance to the project managers. So let's say, for example, you have got a new risk in your project. What will you do? Where do you write it down? Do you write it down in your diary? Not really, right? Because the diary may or may not exist tomorrow. So what do? You ask for a template. So within your organization, go to your PMO, ask him, boss, I have got this risk. Where do I write it down? So he will give you a template called as risk log. Okay, or maybe a risk register. Or you might name it something differently. So every organization might have its different naming conventions, but the templates has to be provided by the PMO. Similarly, let's say for example, you want to rate this risk on a particular chart. What do you need? You need a risk matrix. And where do you get this risk matrix from? Again, from your PMO. Let's say you want to create a schedule of your project and you want to show it to your customer. What do you need? You need a software, Microsoft project. Whom do you ask this help from? PMO. You don't know how to use this Microsoft project. Who will provide you this training? PMO. If you have any issues while creating this Microsoft project, maybe it's creating a deliverable, creating a particular task, whom do you ask the help for? PMO. So PMO is one function, one department, some person who is going to help you out to make things very easy in your project. And also, they are going to guide you in each difficulty. And that's the main task of a PMO. They have multiple tasks, but there's a few of them which are most important. Okay, so shall we go ahead? So this is the end of this unit. So we will see the next, that is nothing but the brain tickers. Thank you.